leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji, as usual, from a suspicious and conspicuous foreign tour, he has just landed in India, and everybody was thinking that how come any non-Indian or anti-national statement has not come. The moment he has put his foot on the pious land of India, a dastardly statement has come from Mr. Saifuddin Soz, who is the senior most leader of Congress party, former union minister and former president of Jammu and Kashmir Congress. He has gone to the extent that Jammu Kashmir doesn't require only statehood, but it requires to restore 370. He goes beyond and says that our main target is Dakhili Khud Mukhtari, means sovereignty in India. And not only this, he goes to the extent that since we are a Muslim majority state and Muslims were around 8 crore at the time of partition, now they are 23 crores. So we will be with India on our own terms, which will include the sovereignty. So I want a categorical answer from Rahul Gandhi ji, Sonia Gandhi ji and Mallikarjun Kharge ji. Is this the official line of the Congress party? Because Saifuddin Soz previously has also said that as per the Musharraf plan in his book, that the Kashmir can even depart from India. So we want a categorical answer. Our policy under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat. Now when Congress leaders are talking about Muslim majority and sovereignty on their own conditions, the nation expects a categorical and unequivocal answer from them. And if they deny or shy from giving any explanation, it will be considered as their affirmation of this dastardly statement.